What's up guys, Bo HD here, professional tech reviewer, and if you're a fan of mine, you'll know I have developed a little bit of a fixation on office equipment over the years, specifically with motorized standing desks. I've reviewed desks for gamers, desks with keyboard trays and slide-out drawers, desks with dual motors to lift tons of weight, and I've even built my own DIY desk with a custom desktop and motorized legs. I've seen a lot, but I've never quite seen a desk like this, the LiftSync Quad Pro. At first glance, it doesn't even look like a standing desk, but it is. It features a 4-leg, 4-motor design that does two things really well. It makes the desk super sturdy with zero flex, and it looks super sharp. I mean, seriously, this thing might be the best looking standing desk I've ever seen, largely because it doesn't even look like a motorized standing desk. It just looks really stealthy. I didn't think the motorized standing desks I had before were bad looking, but they're definitely starting to look a little bit outdated when compared to something like this. You can only order the desk with white legs, but you do get a selection between 4 tabletop materials, including bamboo and walnut, and I imagine the options will expand as time goes on since they just recently started selling the bamboo tabletop option, which is what we have here. When you order this desk via the link below, it'll arrive in 2 packages. One will consist of the frame and the motors, and the other will house the tabletop. Assembly was super straightforward. You have 4 motorized legs and then the crossbars that rest under the perimeter of the desk to tie everything together, give it strength, you just need to look really cohesive. It all just fits together like a puzzle piece, and it might be easier to have 2 people to help you hold it upright or flip it around after you screw in all the bolts.
No!
I like to do everything myself and refuse to ask for help though, so I didn't do that. That's a thing I'm working on. After you get the frame assembled, you can unwrap the tabletop and carefully lower it onto the top of the frame. It just sits right on top, and what's neat is there are pre-drilled holes that line up with the frame, so it makes it really super easy to set up and screw in the bolts. Now, at this point, you might have noticed this tabletop is not the same as the one in the beginning shots, and you're right. This is the light walnut tabletop, which looks great, except for the ding in the middle of the desk. At some point during the transit, it got punctured, so LiftSync said, hey, you can try to cover it up, or you could wait until our bamboo option is available and we can ship you one of those to review. And so yeah, that's what I did. If you're going for a darker look or aesthetic to match your black appliances, I would lean towards the light walnut tabletop. It's light for walnut wood, I would say, but still pretty dark and moody. If you're wanting something lighter, go with the bamboo tabletop. Now, I wanted to create a really light and modern desk setup, and I think I achieved that. I have an IKEA white and gold desk lamp to create a nice warm glow to the space. It's illuminating just a plant, succulent type of plant I had. There's a beige cork desk mat with a full wireless keyboard and mouse. And I managed to find a white 27-inch 4K monitor for only around $200 on Amazon. I really wanted to keep the price down as much as possible, and the Z-Edge monitor fit that criteria. The viewing angles aren't great, but it looks pretty good head-on. It has a good DPI, has tons of adjustable viewing options, and even the ability to rotate 90 degrees. So overall, not too shabby for $200 brand new. I'll place links to everything mentioned in this video down below in the description if you're at all curious, by the way. Powering everything is a Beelink 12 Pro mini PC that costs only $159. It runs Windows out of the box, but it supports Ubuntu, comes packing 16 gigabytes of RAM, 500 gigabytes of solid state drive storage, SSD, and 2 HDMI ports, and it takes up just an extremely small footprint. Like, it's really just sort of chilling below the desk, out of sight, out of mind. These mini PCs are getting crazy good, and I just love the small form factor. The right-hand side of my desk is home to my Scosche BaseLinks modular charging station. This thing is not exactly cheap, but it's so sick as it features these interchangeable modules that can be swapped in and out or expanded like this to support all of your charging needs. The USB-C ports feature 60 watts of output. There's a MagSafe and Apple Watch charger, an AC outlet, and even a spot to wirelessly charge a pair of earphones. Since this desk is a shared space, it just makes sense to have a charging station like this available for everyone to power up their devices. Okay, now back to the desk. The LiftSync Quad Pro, it measures in at 63 inches long and 32 inches wide, and it can rise to a max height of 47 inches and lower to a minimum of 29.5 inches. And it does this in about 15.9 seconds, so it's not the fastest standing desk I've seen or tested, but totally adequate, and it does so very smoothly and without any sort of jerky movements. That's really what's important, I would say. It also is able to lift up to 264 pounds, which is oddly specific, but again, it should be perfectly adequate for your needs and what you plan to have on top of this desk. I'm about 160 pounds, and it has no problem lifting me up. And I'm just really impressed with the stability. The 4 legs on each quarter make this desk rock solid with no rocking whatsoever. It has to be the most stable desk I've ever tested. The control panel is fixed to the right-hand side of the desk, so you can't move it like some other options I've used, but that's because it's literally built into the metal frame. And you get 3 customizable modes, so likely a sitting height, standing height, and then a third option for something in between, or maybe it could be for your significant other or roommate or something. And this desk actually comes with a remote control to raise and lower it remotely, which is a first for me. I haven't seen this included before, but I think it could be useful for some of you guys out there. One thing that's really missing is a cable management tray. So what I did was I just picked one up from IKEA for around $7, something like that. I just screwed it under the bottom of the desk, carefully making sure I didn't like puncture the desk. And then I tucked all those loose cables into this tray and it actually worked out great. I even put the mini PC down here as well. It's kind of janky, but it works. Now, one thing that really bothers me with a lot of standing desks is the support bars that run underneath the length of the desk. It bothers me because I like to sit cross-legged sometimes or have like one leg tucked under my other leg. And oftentimes this bar gets in the way and cuts into my knees. And I think this is the first desk that doesn't do that. I mean, you have to move the control modules around slightly to accommodate your legs, which may involve drilling into the desk, but I just tucked it into that cable management tray that I have. Overall, I gotta say the LiftSync Quad Pro is an excellent choice if you're in the market for a high-quality, premium motorized standing desk that prioritizes stability and also exceptional design. It's so stealthy that I would say you could consider its motorized features almost like a party trick. You do have to be sort of comfortable with the fact that there's only like one size offering and the choice between only 2 different woods, bamboo or a light walnut. It's also pretty hefty of an investment compared to other options out there coming in at $899. But just keep an eye on that link and I'll put any promotion codes I have down in the description if they're available. But a nice desk really helps elevate a space and it gives a particular charm and personality to your office or wherever you might have it. I'm hoping this desk becomes a flagship product for the company with many more customization options in the months and years to come because I think it's that good. With that said, though, if you're interested in any of the products mentioned in this video, I'll place a link down below in the description. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And thank you, LiftSync, for sending out this product for review. It was a lot of fun.